If you have installed an app on a Windows 11 device and you want to uninstall that app, it's actually very simple and straightforward. So for example, if I go to my start menu, here you can see we've installed this Netflix app from Microsoft Store. So what you can actually do is the following. We can decide to right click, and then you can see we can just click on install and the app will be uninstalled from our device and it will disappear. But we can decide to go to settings. Under settings, you can go to apps, and here we have the apps and future. So if I want to uninstall, if I want to uninstall a specific apps, for example, I can decide to search for Netflix, and here you can see we have these three dots. Let me just click on it and then click on install, and then it says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. I will say yes, and you can see it's telling me that the app is being uninstalled from the device and it is gone. So that is the simplest way to actually uninstall an app from your Windows 11 operating system.